Hey students, how are you all? All are good, no? Very good. So today we are going to start our lesson number 2, Jim and Kim. So for this I want you to open your textbook page number 1818. Okay, and write the today's date 26th of October. Okay, done everyone? Okay. Now our lesson name is lesson number 2, Jim and Kim. Okay, they have given here sight words. Okay, this sight words I am not going to give you in writing. You have to write this sight words with your own in your notebook 3 times. Each word 3 times you have to write. We will read this first. Okay, WHYY, ARER, YOUU, WAS was, NOW now, HOW how, OUT out. Got it everyone? These sight words you are going to write in your notebook 3 times. So let's start with our lesson. Okay, see, A they have written in a capital. A is the starting of the sentence, right? So always remember that while we are starting a new sentence, we are writing first letter in capital. So shall we start reading? Okay, so are you sad, Kim? Okay, as we have already seen in your previous lesson that there is a one boy and one girl. Boy's name is Jim, girl name is Kim. Okay, they have pets. Okay, Jim has a dog pet, Kim has a cat pet. Okay, dog's name is Mom and cat name is Meg. Got it everyone? Let's see. Are you sad, Kim? Now Jim is asking to Kim, are you sad, Kim? See the question mark. Question mark means he is asking to Kim. Now see what Kim is saying. Yes, Jim, I am sad. Now look at the face of Kim. Is she looking happy? No, she is looking sad. No. So Jim is replying to the Kim is replying to Jim. Yes, Jim, I am sad. Now let's see the reason of why she is sad. Mog, the pet dog, bit me on my leg. Oh my God. See this Mog bit to the Kim's leg. That's why Kim is sad. Okay, now very bad, no? Okay, let's see. Now Jim is asking to the Kim again. Why are you out, Kim? Now Jim is asking to Kim. Why are you out, Kim? Again question mark. Question mark means it is a question. Again Kim is replying to the Jim. I had to get Meg. Meg, who is Meg? Meg is a pet cat of Kim. So why she is out? To get Meg, the pet cat. Got it everyone? Let's see. Jim has a rod. Have you seen something is there in the Jim's hand? This is called rod. This is a iron stick. Okay, this is a iron stick. Now let's see what Jim is doing with this rod. Jim has a rod. He will now hit Mog. Oh my God. Now Jim is going to hit the Mog. Why? Because Mog beat to the Kim's leg. That's why Jim is going to punish the Mog. Okay. But Mog ran to the van. Okay, Mog came to know now Jim is going to beat the Mog. So Mog is very scared and he ran to the van, right? He is very scared now. How will Jim hit Mog now? Now Jim, how is going to hit to Mog now? How will Jim hit Mog now, right? Because Mog is very scared, okay, and he ran to the van. Now how is Jim going to hit to Mog now? Got it everyone? Got the story? Okay, now we are going to write the question answer, okay? And one more thing I want to tell you students, there are in each and every lesson there are 2 and more than 2 question answers are there, okay? But you have to prepare whatever question answer I am going to give you, you have to prepare for the same, okay? For example, in this lesson there are 2 questions, but we are going to see only 1 question, okay? First question, open your notebook first of all. Come on, open your notebook. Everyone open the notebook. Okay, now put today's date 26th of October. Heading lesson number 2, Jim and Kim. answer the question. Answer the question. Okay. First question. WHYY is KRM Kim SAD sad. Why is Kim sad? Now tell me, who will tell me why is Kim sad? Who beat to Kim? Yes, because. So your answer will be, you are going to start the answer with because. B should be in capital. BECAUSE, because. MOG, Mog. Mog is a name of a dog, so that's why I have written this M in capital. Okay, Mog, the pet dog, beat to Kim's leg. What is the answer? Mog, the pet dog, beat to Kim's leg. Kim's, K-I-M, Kim. In between you have to do this apostrophe and S, apostrophe S. Kim's leg. Got the answer? Okay. Now your homework will be, you have to write the new words 3 times and you have to write the question 1 time and answer 2 times. Got it everyone? Okay. Now I want you to open your capital cursive workbook. Come on, open karo. Okay, we have completed till the letter H. Today we are going to see the further letters. Okay, letter, this is a capital I. I says E, 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 ing. Let's see how to write this I. Okay, to write the I, we have to start from this blue line. Okay, draw this, start from the blue line, go up to the red line, again come down and put a slight curve. Okay, one more I will show you. Start from here, go up, come down, slight curve. Again start from blue line, go up to the red line, come down to the blue line, curve. Okay, I will show you the blank line. Okay, start from this blue line, go up, come down like this. Start from the blue line, go up, come down like this. Got it everyone? Okay, now next letter J. Okay, how to write letter J? Letter J is also similar to the letter I, but the thing is that letter J we are going to write in a 4 line. Letter J we are going to write in a 4 line. Okay, so let's see how to write. Again, the way we are starting letter I, the same way we are going to start letter J. Go up to the red line, slanting line till the red line and make a knot. Okay, one more I will show you. Start from here, go up, come down, make a knot. Go up, come down, make a knot. Go up, come down, make a knot. Now I will show you how to write in a blank line. Okay, start from here, go up, come down, make a knot. Okay, start from blue line, go up, come down, make a knot. Only the thing, while we are writing capital cursive J, we are using 4 lines. Okay, done everyone? Okay, now here they have given one exercise. Okay, they have given here pictures and here they have given the letters. We have to match the pictures according to the letter. Have you seen this? This is a fish. So where is F? So according to that you have to draw these lines. Got it everyone? F, where is F? Here is F. So put a dot from the F to the F. Okay. Now next, this is a gun. Where is G now? Here is letter G. So draw this line from this dot to letter G dots. Okay. Next picture is hen. Where is H now? H, G, I, J, F, H. Okay. So here is H. So draw the line from the hen to the H. Okay. Next, this is ink pot. I. E. Where is I? From here to this. Here is I. So from here, from the ink pot to I, we have to match the dot. And the last one, chip. J says J, 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 chip. So draw the line from here to here. Okay. So your homework will be, you have to trace this letter F to letter J. Okay. Whole page. Now turn the page. Okay, now this is a letter K. This is a letter K. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you students, no need to hurry in completion of homework. I have given the sufficient time, so you can complete this homework. You can show me this homework on Friday. You can send me this homework on Friday. Take your own time and complete your homework in neat and clean handwriting. Okay students? Okay, now let's start. Okay, this is a letter K. Now how to start the letter K? Again to write a letter K, we are starting from this blue line. Make one slanting line, come down, again draw one slanting line from the red to blue line, and like this. Okay, see, from here, start from here, draw a slanting line, slight curve, and again like this. Okay, so shall we trace? Okay, trace with me. Small slanting line, come down like this and this. Small slanting line, come down like this and this. Okay, small slanting line, come down like this and this. I will show you in the blank line how to write K. Okay, from this, come down. Okay, make a knot like this and this. Okay, start from here, blue line, come down to the blue line, slight curve, make a knot like this. This is our letter K. This is our letter K, and today's our last letter is letter L. Letter L. Okay, take your own time in completion of your homework. Okay, and your handwriting should be neat and clean. Got it? Now this is a letter L. L says lion. L says lion. Again, see how to start the letter I. Again, we have to start from this blue line, slanting line, come down and make a knot like this. Okay, let's trace from here, come down, make a knot like this. See, start from this blue line, come down, make a knot like this. And let's see in a blank line how to draw this letter L. Okay, start from this blue line, make a knot, again make a knot and like this. Okay, start from this blue line, make a knot, again make a knot like this. Got it everyone? So your homework, you got your homework. So see you in the next session. Bye.